Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Kral Kaibeder se. The series follows Kinan Baran, a successful businessman in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth, while Kenan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 9. Jan Borju. The series follows Mehmet, a successful lawyer, as he strives to reconnect with his estranged daughter Dua following the death of his mother. Along the way, long buried secrets come to light, threatening to upend their lives. The delicate balance of the family is shattered when Jalal's hidden affair surfaces, creating turmoil. Meanwhile, his wife Handan, unaware of the unraveling around her, fights to keep the family together against all odds. Number 8. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Layla returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Layla's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 7. Tash Kagit Makas. Tash Kagit Makas delves into the life of Umar Tanir Kolu, a young man from a poor background with an extraordinary memory ability called hyperthymesia. His conditional allow him to remember every detail from every moment of his life. Whether that's a blessing or a curse is not yet clear. When Umut's life takes a tragic turn, his father Riza is accused of murder and cannot defend himself due to his struggle with Alzheimer's disease. Umut, alongside the sportive law student Elif and the enigmatic lawyer Harun, embarks on a relentless quest for justice. The series intricately weaves together personal struggles, societal injustice, and the clash between the powerful and the powerless, all set against the backdrop of a murder mystery involving Fajr Damir Khan, the son of a very powerful family who is notorious with scandals in Istanbul nightlife. Number 6. Sandik Kakusu. Karsu is a woman in an unhappy marriage. Her husband Riha is an abusive man and useless father. So when Karsu gives birth to their third child, she realizes that she can't take care of all the children on her own. She sends her 3-year-old son Kuze to Istanbul to stay with her mother Filiz for a while. However, on the journey to Istanbul, Kuze goes missing. After 3 years of searching, Karsu happens upon Kuze on a trip to Mersin. Karsu is relieved to be reunited with her son. However, Kuze, who now goes by Deniz, does not recognize her. Karsu will have to fight to win her son back whilst dealing with her challenging family situation. Number 5. Sakla Beni. Mete and Nas, born into affluent and influential families, are bound together by a promise made during their childhood. This promise stems from a tragic incident where Nas' innocence was compromised and Mete's family offered unwavering support. As they grow older, their relationship becomes a roller coaster of heated arguments and passionate reconciliations. Mete, deeply committed to keeping the childhood promise, returns from studying abroad to marry Naz. However, fate intervenes when he crosses paths with Injila, Naz's loyal servant. Injila, who has found a family within Naz's household after a troubled past, accidentally becomes a pivotal figure in the unfolding drama. Number 4. Kirli Sapeti. For every rich neighborhood, there is an army of poor women who keep it running. All these cleaners, caregivers, and household help live by the same rule: be invincible. Like pieces of furniture, they are there to serve a function, and that's it. Only after working all day for someone else's family can they go home to their own and live like real people with their own dreams and desires. Kirli Sapeti is the story of one such group of resilient women whose lives are spent cleaning up the messes left by others. The story begins when Mariam, one of these women, tragically falls to her death while working in a house, an event that goes unnoticed by the people she served. Ilkgul, Mariam's friend, and Kahraman, a journalist, join forces to uncover the truth behind Mariam's untimely demise. Number 3. Safir. The series centers on the Gulsoy family, one of the most prominent families in Cappadocia, whose much revered lives come crashing down after an unexpected tragedy. Upon the return of their elder son Atesh from America, the Gulsoys reunite in one place after much time apart. Atesh, who lost his father in a traffic accident at a young age, left home, refusing to submit to the overwhelming authority of his grandmother Umar. Upon the mother Gulfam's request, he returned home after many years to join his brother Yaman and Okan in taking over and expanding the family business established by his grandfather. Number 2. Candy Dusan Alamas. The day Alize was born, her mother passed away. Alize has a strong sense of guilt, even though her father Nuruddin can't express it out loud, not to make her upset. Add to this the compromises Nuruddin made to keep her happy. The result is an aggressive, self-centered character who is basically in conflict with herself. However, he reaches a breaking point, almost a wake-up call, when his daughter is involved in a hit and run, damaging a mechanic's car. Before it's too late, he decides to teach his daughter the things he was unable to teach her while she was younger. Her first goal is to teach Alize to respect the decisions and wishes of others. For this reason, he proposes to Sanam, whom he loved for years but could not take a step towards marriage, so that Alize would not be upset. Number 1. Ego. A Turkish remake of the 2014 K-drama Temptation. Elif and Erhan are an engaged couple who love each other very much, and their biggest expectation from life is to get married and build a new life and happy home. The routine of their married lives is disrupted by Erhan's tragic deception, and Erhan is faced with a debt that is very difficult to pay. Their lives and psychology will be turned upside down with this news they receive on one of Arhan's business trips. While that, which is almost impossible to pay, has turned their lives into a nightmare, the offer made by Arhan's boss Sibyl will change their lives forever. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.